Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Ganesh Notial. If you are not subscribed my YouTube channel, then subscribe it and click on bell icon. Then you got lot of video to help a mathematical problem for solving and learning for understanding method. So today we learn the topic of linear equation. Linear equation. Here, previous video we have already learned in which condition we can solve the linear equation in two variable. So today's we learn linear equation and two variable, how we can represent in graph. So first, if you want to represent any linear equation in graph, first we decide one piece of graph, I represent it in this of graph, and second side we solve linear equation. In generally form, first type of linear equation in one variable we can represent by this, means 2x plus 6 equal to 0. Here we have a linear equation of only one variable. If we want to represent this linear equation in graph, then how we can represent it? If we have only one variable, then we can represent it by simple method. We divide all graph in two parts by plus signs. We represent all graph in two parts. If horizontal axis is called origin, that is called origin, and other, I am again repeating that y-axis value is called ordinate and intersection point is called origin, and x-axis value is abscissa. In combination, abscissa and ordinate is called coordinate, that is represent the point. So here first we marking y, this. For making any graph, first we have write scale. Scale means left on x-axis. Left on x-axis, one big box equal to, that is decided by questions. And second, on y-axis, one big box equal to, that is also decided by y-axis. Here, first, in one variable, we transfer the other things in second side. First, we change 6, and plus 6 transfer in second side, that is minus 6. 2x equal to 2. Here 2 in multiplication, in transfer it will be changed in divide. So x equal to minus 6 upon 2, x equal to minus 3. Here we can find only value of x, not value of y. Means y value does not affect in this point. So, but x value are fixed because x value is minus 3 only. We cannot find any other value of x for this linear equation. But y value is anything. It does not affect on this equation. So we represent it. Here I suppose one big box is equal to 1 because our number is small. In a small number we have normally suppose one big box is equal to 1. If number is higher, then we suppose one big box is equal to 10. Here generally all time we represent 1. 0, 1, 2, now here we have marked this point, and our point is x is equal to minus 3. We have x is equal to minus 3 is here. Here we are finding the value of x. If you wonder, we are finding in linear value of x, then we represent it parallel to x. Sorry, x is equal to minus 3, then we represent it a line parallel to y-axis. Because x value are fixed, then we does not write it in parallel to x. Which value are not fixed, that is represent a line. Means we represent a line from minus 3 in parallel to y-axis. Here we have a line, straight line parallel to y-axis, and value is x equal to minus 3. Means x value is does not change, and in this line x value is does not change, and y value is does not effective in this linear equation. We represent it by this method. So let's start for second question. For solving graph. In graphical, if it is one variable, two variable, it does not affect in scale and any other thing. So solving it, we take another question, and again we will write the scale. Let on x-axis one big box is equal to 1, and let on y-axis one big box is equal to 1, and x-axis, y-axis, all things are similar to one variable linear equation. But for solving two variable linear equation, we have two equation, and we represent both line in graph. Then we got solution. But here first we write the linear equation 2x plus 3y is equal to 8, and second condition is x minus 2y equals to minus 3. Here we have two linear equations. We want to represent in graph and find the solution of it. For finding the any linear equation solution in graph, generally we write the linear equation 2x plus 3y is equal to 8. And always we take one alphabet in left side and we transfer all other things in second side. It is our choice which alphabet we want to take in left side. So I am already all time take only one alphabet x because it is always positive in here, and change it. Then we have 2x equals to 8 minus 3y. 2x equal to 8 minus 3y. Then x. Then x equal to 8 minus 3y upon 2. Make table. Make table. Now we solve. At a time we does not need to solve this equation for here, because we have represent the linear equation in graph, but here two equation, and we need to solution represent in this graph. If we solve indirectly, then sometime our answer is may be possible in outside of graph. If we want to represent answer in graph simple and clearly, so take a tricky system. Tricky system, we make table and we does not solve it now. We solve it after some time. And second equation, we similarly do this. X second equation also we do this, and we take x in left side and other all things. Minus 2y will go second side, then it will be positive. Then 2y minus 3. We have value of x in both time. We find the value of x in equation form and we make table. Now we want to represent it in graph and we want to solution easily and in graph also. So for solving this we have a trick for easily in fair, in examination copy, in homework copy, in other copies. It is represent only in rough work. By this method we can find what is the solution and what is the conditions. So first we have two value of x, write it in equal to and solve it, simplify by linear equation. Here x value, first write the value of x in equal to, because we have two value of x, write in equal to, do cross multiplication, cross upon is nothing, is 1, if I have anything then we multiply that and cross multiply, then we got 8 if we do cross multiply then 8 when the 8 minus 3y as it is, and 2 2 are 4y, 2 3 are 6 minus 6, and now we take number on one side and alphabet in second side, then we got 8 now we get 8 minus 3y, 3y goes second side, then it will be positive, and minus 6 get in this side, then it is also change, minus change in positive, then 8 plus 6 is 14 and 4y plus 3y is 7y, and we divide the multiplication of alphabet in second side, then we got answer of y, 14 upon 7 is 2. That is rough work, because we do is only if our answer is large, then we take number large. But if we take in a small number, sometime our linear equation intersect in outside of graph. But lot of time it will be inside of graph. But negative, positive, which side it will be intersect and which have we root. So for this we can find by this method only one value of y. Now we can solve all equation easily if we get value of y, that is y is get 2, y is 2, and write this value in graph as it is in middle of table, 2 2. Now for some time we suppose and change the number 2 3 5 6 for all numbers. Now only do one thing, we are solving y and add and subtract multiplication of x in this. Again I am repeating that, add and subtract multiple of x in this, one side add, one side subtract. So in first equation multiple of x is 2, then we add 2, one side add and one side subtract, 4. Write it. Finally, we does not need any tension and any method to solve and think about it. Right? Simply we add and subtract the multiplication of x, one side add, one side subtract. Generally we add right side and subtract left side. In second also do this. Here multiple of x is 1. So we add one side and subtract one side. Then it is our conditions value y we have already find. Now for any value of y we can solve x. If you want to take y is 0, then y is 0, then it is 0, then x equal to minus 3. Here if y is equal to 0, then we got 8 upon 2 means 4. It is our choice which value we want to find. If we want to solve value of 2, then that is nice. But if you want to solve any other value, then does not take any difference. So solve any one value. Now we add and subtract multiple of y X time we add y multiple and y time we take x multiple. But now we have only remember one thing. If sign is positive, then we add same type. Sorry, if sign is positive, when we do opposite side addition and opposite side subtraction. If we are adding one is right side, then second is left side. If sign is positive, here sign is positive. So we add in previous time in right side, now we add left side. Multiple of 5. Here multiple of y is 3. Then we add 3 in left side. 3 plus 7. 3 plus 4 is 7. And subtract left right side. Because previous time we subtract left side, now we subtract right side because sign is positive. So 1 minus 2 minus 5. It is our solution of equation 1. Easily, without calculation we solve it. Easy. And second, for this we do check sign is negative. If sign is negative, we add and subtract on same side. If first is right side, then second is also right side. First is and subtract is second left side, then also subtract on left side. So similarly, multiple is y is 2, then we add 2. Minus 3, 2 is minus 1. Minus 1 or 2 plus 1. 1 or 2, 3. 3 or 2, 5. Or 5 or 2, 7. Hence our solution is which value are equal? Previous roughly what we have find y value of 2. Then which this value are equal 1, 2. And our solution is 1, 2. It is our solution in simply. And now we represent it in graph. For representing a graph, first take x value of 7. It does not represent it because it is outside of graph. Second value 4. We can mark it. 4 0 means x value is 4 and y up and down is nothing. Second 1 2. X value is 1, y value is 2. It is here. Third, x value is minus 2, y value is 4. It is here. Next, minus 5 and 6. Minus 5 and 6 is here. Now join the all point in by scale. Now we have 4 points and this line is 2x plus 3y equal to 8. Write the equation. 2x plus 3y equal to 8. Second, minus 3, 0. X value is minus 3, that is 0. It is here. Minus 1 and 1, it is here. 1 and 2, it is here. And next 3 and 3, it is here. So join these lines. And it is the equation is x minus 2y equal to minus 3. So we have intersection point is here and it is coordinate is 1 2 and we can mark other point of coordinate. It is 3 3 minus 1 1 minus 3 0 4 0 and it is minus 2 4 and minus 5 6. By this method we can calculate what is the value of roots of these two linear equations, means solution of these two linear equations easily. But sometimes examiner asks find the vertex of triangle which made by x-axis and these two lines, which made by y-axis and these two lines. For finding this, we generally solve easily and simply. If we want to solve, find the vertex of triangle which made by y-axis. Made by y-axis. So, we write here vertex vertex of triangle which made by these two lines and y-axis. For finding the vertex of triangle, first vertex is answer of our solution. Our 0 means 1, 2. It is the first coordinate of vertex of triangle. If now we want to find vertex of other 2 point of vertex of triangle, other 2 points. So solving this easily. Now we write for y-axis value of x are 0. So we represent in both coordinate x is 0. If we make triangle by y-axis, then we write the vertex of other 2 point coordinate x is 0. In y-axis x is 0 and x-axis y is equal to 0. So now we write in these two equations, both of we make value for filling x equal to 0. If x is equal to 0, then it is out and 3 goes in divide, then our answer is 8 upon 3. 8 upon 3. In second, if x is 0, then minus 2 goes second side, minus 3 upon minus 2 is minus are cancelled, then our answer is 3 upon 2. And by this method, we can find the vertex of triangle which made by these two lines and y-axis. Similarly, we can find the vertex of triangle which made by x-axis. That time, we write the value of y is equal to 0 and in equation, we fill value y is equal to 0 and find the value of x. That is the simple solution. By this method, we can calculate any linear equation of two variables easily and clearly. So, thank you for watching this video.